We're testing this thing. Give the. We want to see if it really works. Okay, Koko, don't bite it. And that's Koda. He's still looking. That's so cute. I didn't know it would work. Koko. Uh-oh, he wants more. That's the... yeah, go ahead. Feed him the other way, because his tongue is licking. He's gonna bite it.
No.
Koko, let go. Do it to Koda. Do it to Koda.
He's crazy.
Yeah, look at that way. Oh my god. Dude.
I'm scared.
Yes. Oh, and that's Kiki. Try Kiki. See if it works. And yes, Koko is still licking. Yes, guys, the peanut butter trick actually works. Hi, Kiki. Oh, look at the camera. Aww. Koko. Oh, it smells like peanut butter. Okay, we're done.